Hello YouTubers and welcome to my latest Doctor Who figure review. Today our review is the next part of the new Series 5 merchandise, which is the 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. So, let me go through the basics. There's a button here for when it's down. When it's loaded, there's a big button for people with big fingers, like myself. You press it when it's loaded and unloaded. So, see it's spring loaded. And there's a button for little people with little fingers. That bit's just the articulation, if you like to call it articulation. It has two sounds. 1, 2, and it has two hidden sounds. Tap it 3 times. On the third time, press it down. 1, 2. Doing the same thing but 4 times. And there's sounds. So you twist it off to put the batteries in, like you can also do it when you're fixing it. Oh, you better watch Dr. Chris 63 to figure that out. So, detail. Really good detail of all the Sonic screwdrivers. Really tiny metal detail here, but it's too small to see. And the texture on the handle. And this bit here is really smooth. Nice detail in here. The problem with this is this has such a big spring, which is a bit too early for something like this. The same with the screwdriver itself, a bit too early to come out. It has such a big spring, I should have done one of the old Sonic screwdrivers with the clip. So it only has a green light, which is a change in the new episode, The Beast Below. It has a blue light. So now let's have a size comparison. Compare it to the Master's laser screwdriver. Well, it's not loaded. That's pretty like it. They're the same height. But spring load this one. Look at that. It's massive. So now with a stock screwdriver. It's pretty much going to be the same with Riversong screwdriver, so you can't get any higher. But this thing compares it to like the daddy of Sonic screwdrivers. When you this one is bigger. This one, it's massive. It's even bigger. So, that's the Sonic screwdriver out the way. Really nice figure, and there's even some stitchings. A bit too early for it to come out. But with the original Sonic screwdriver, it took quite a while for it to come out. It didn't come up to halfway through Series 1. Or Series 2, whatever. Series 2 was when I started watching Doctor Who. So, overall, it's really good. Really fun to play with. And my next review will be the 7th Doctor and Imperial Dalek. And the CK Customs. Well, the only custom I can recall having in progress is the Invisible Enemy Doctor. So thanks for watching YouTubers, and I'll see you next time.